Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can set up a default Gmail account in Play Store. What you're supposed to do, just get into your Play Store, then click your email icon in the upper right hand side of your Play Store, then click this drop down arrow, then come and select the email which you want to set as a default. So it will just take some second to set it as a default, and now you'll be operating from that Gmail account. So as per now, you can notice the default email or Gmail is this one, and this is how we set up default Gmail account in Play Store. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future running content like this. In case you want to change the default again to another Gmail account, you can just click here and then select this Gmail. So it will just take some second to verify and then we'll be there. So let us give it some second and then we'll be there again with another Gmail, you can see. So it is just simple. So thank you for watching and God bless you.